Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7 guys. And if your power mirrors, okay, the side mirrors do not work on your car guys, we'll show you which fuse to check. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop. Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful and if it solved your problem. So let's start on it now. So we have a 2010 Mazda here, but it should be the whole the same procedure for the whole generation. I'll go ahead, turn the key on. Okay, key is on. You can see lights are on. And I'm going to try to move the mirror guys. Okay. Left one, right one, nothing works guys, so we'll show you guys how to fix that in a second and show you okay which fuse to check. Let me turn the light on so you can see actually a little bit better. I forgot to do that. So we'll go ahead, turn it off. Okay, now right here guys, there is a fuse box next to the steering wheel. Okay, remove that fuse box and the fuse guys that we're looking at now, okay, it's actually the the second small fuse or the third fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3, or second small one, this fuse. It's 7.5 amp fuse in our case. We'll go ahead, pull it out, and we'll replace it with a new one. Now if you guys need to buy some fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. Okay, this whole kit guys is for super affordable price. You get a free fuse puller as well, so I don't think you can beat that deal. I'll go ahead, install the fuse. Okay, make sure that it goes where it's supposed to, otherwise you can damage the pins. Install it, and now we're going to see if that is going to fix our problem now. So ignition on, and let's check it out now. Okay, you can see mirrors do work now guys, so hopefully that's the case for your problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.